Monarch Pub. How's it guys? How's it going, everybody? Right on, right on. My name is Joe Guam, and yeah, I did fly here. It took 18 hours to get here from the island of Guam, and we just got here a couple days ago with the whole family, my wife and kids. You know, we did the San Diego Safari Zoo and the Disneyland thing, all the tourist things, right? And then one of my buddies asked me if I would come out and cover here and just play some live island music for you guys. So I think you guys got the request cards out there, the QR cards. If you scan them, it'll take you to my website, joeguam.com, and you can put in online song requests. I got a list of about 200 songs I know how to play. Anything on that list that you guys want to hear, just tap on it and it'll send me a message up here, let me know what you guys want to hear. So please sit back, relax. Thank you guys for coming to hang out with us here at the Monarch Pub. My name is Joe Guam. Happy day, everybody. Oh, by the way, happy day is how we say hello in the island of Guam. So I guess here in San Diego, we say what's up. I will tell you though, when I left Guam, it hasn't been colder than 79 degrees in the past like 6 months. So this is a little bit cold for this island boy here, but I'm gonna do my best for you all. All right, first request of the day, everybody. It's a song from the Steve Miller Band. We're gonna mix a little bit of Shaggy in here. Hope y'all enjoy this. It's a song called Joker. Thanks for spending your time here with us here at the Monarch Pub with me, Joe Guam. See Zeus Boss, everybody. Thank you. Some people call me the space cowboy. Some call me the gangster of love. Some people call me Maurice, 'cause I speak of the pompous of love. People keep talking about me, baby. Said I'm doing you wrong, doing you wrong. Don't you worry, baby, don't worry, 'cause I'm right here, right here, right here, right here at home. 'Cause I'm a picker, I'm a grinner, I'm a lover, I'm a sinner. Play my music in the sun. 'Cause I'm a joker, I'm a smoker, I'm a midnight toker. You don't wanna hurt no one. party when you're still young. Who's gonna have your back when it's all done? It's all good when you live and you have pure fun. I can't be a fool, son. What about the long run? Looking back shorty, always I mention. See me not giving her much attention. She was there through my incarceration. I wanna show the nation my appreciation. Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Loosen and my feet, you are to me, baby. So you're my angel, you're my darling. Take it out, take it out. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, baby. So you should be treated, though you never get the loving that you needed. Could have left, but I called and you heeded. I begged and I pleaded, and mission completed. On the say a night is the program. Not the type to mess around with your emotions, but this feeling that I have for you is so strong. I've been together so long, this could never be wrong. But you're the cutest thing that I ever did see. Really love me your peaches, I wanna shake your tree. Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, love me all the time. Ooh, wait, baby, I'm gonna show you a little good ride. 'Cause I'm a picker, I'm a winner, I'm a lover, I'm a sinner. Play my music in the sun. I'm a joker, I'm a smoker, I'm a midnight toker. Should wanna hurt no one. From the Steve Miller Band, everybody, by request. Thank you guys for that request. Woo. Right on, appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you. 1 second. That's better. All right. Here's the next request for everybody. This is a song called Wagon Wheel. And I know a lot of musicians out here jam this song a little too much, I guess, so to speak. But this is going to be a little bit island version for you. So it's a song, a familiar song that you guys know. A Hey Mama Rock Me song, a song called Wagon Wheel. By request. Thank you for this request. I got to give a big shout out to Mish, Nikki, and Dave for this request. Thank you, thank you, thank you for this. Appreciate ya. Here we go. Headed down south to the land of the pine, thumbing my way into North Carolina. Staring down the road, praying God I see it light. Made it down to the coast in 17 hours, picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers. Hope if from Raleigh I could see my baby tonight. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Oh, yeah. tropical island. My baby plays the keyboard, I pick this ukulele now. North Country reader keeps getting me down. Plus my money paying poker and I handle the town. I ain't turning back to living that old life no more. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. South down a road, cut a trucker out of Billy and a nice long toe. He's in the west, the Cumberland Gap, Johnson City, Tennessee. I gotta get a move on before the sun. I hear my baby calling my name and I know that she's the only one. And if I die in Raleigh, I know I will die free. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. By request, a little familiar tune, line is down for ya. Hey, thank you for that request, you guys. Welcome to the Monarch Ocean Pub, everybody. Gonna give a big shout out to anybody who here who has roots in Guam. Thank you guys. All right, shout out to the Bull Monster for this request. GB and Andre, thank you guys for this. Here's a song from Paul Simon, everybody, one of my favorites.
Hey, when I turn it down, just tell me again if it's okay.
Test 1, 2, 1, 2. Yep. That's one way these days walking blue, wearing these diamonds on the soles of the shoe. She was physically forgotten, then she slipped into my pocket with my car key. Said you're taking me for granted, cause I please you, wearing these diamonds on the soles of the shoe. Sign of a wave. Says the poor boy who changes clothes and puts on aftershave to compensate for his ordinary shoes. He says, "Sonny, take the dancing." Then they ended up my sleeping in a doorway by the bodegas and the lights on up a Broadway, wearing these diamonds in the soles of the shoes. Say I can say talking about diamonds on the soles of the shoe. Say ooh, talking about diamonds on the soles of a shoe. I messed up that button there, but yeah, thank you for that request. I appreciate that. All right, here's the next request for you. Gotta give a big shout out to Thirsty Dave for this request. Shout out to you, Thirsty Dave. This is a song. But are you missing me? Little island style tune for you guys. Can't see. Are you missing me like I miss you? Do you miss the things we used to do? Like a stroll down Lover's Lane. Do you still feel the same? Are you missing me like I miss you? Are you missing me like I miss you? Can we still make love and start anew? If you're not in love with me like I want you to be, you're not missing me like I miss you. All our lives we were so happy, now I'm sad and blue. Would you like to start all over, make our dreams come true? Are you missing me like I miss you? Can we still make love and start anew? If you're not in love with me like I want you to be, you're not missing me like miss you. Let's go, buddy. Now I'm sad and blue. Would you like to start on over? Make our dreams come true. Are you missing me like I miss you? Can we still make love and start anew? If you're not in love with me like I want you to be, you're not missing me like I miss you. My request, shout out to Thirsty Dave for that request. Right on, brother. Thank you. Appreciate you, man. Let's jump in here and get this next request for you guys.
Thank you. Yeah. Oh man, she's right there sitting down. They were supposed to be. It's okay. It's okay. You can take it. Yeah, thank you.
All right, here's the next request for you, everybody. This is an original song. It's a song that I wrote with my wife, and we released this tune back in November. If you guys like this jam and you want to hear it again on the studio version, you guys can find a little bit of my songs on Spotify, and it's free on YouTube and all that kind of stuff. So here's a song called Sip Away, everybody. Hope you all enjoy this island style reggae tune. on the shoreline, stars in the sky, we'll sip away on some wine. Will you lay by my side, right on the shoreline, stars in the sky, we'll sip away on some wine. Come on over here, place your hand in mine. Dry up all your tears, it'll be just fine. Sip away your worries with this glass of wine. It'll be alright tonight. Let's sip away some wine. Sip away some wine. Up all your tears, it'll be just fine. Sip away your worries with this glass of wine. It'll be alright tonight. Sip away some wine. Sip away some wine. That's the original song, everybody. A song called Sip Away. Thank you for that request. Right on. Thank you guys, thank you guys. Alright. Here's the next request for you. I'm gonna give a big shout out to Kaya for this request. There's a song from Jack Johnson, everybody, a song called Banana Pancakes. How you guys doing out there, everybody? Welcome to the Monarch Ocean Pub. How's it going? My name is Joe Guam, everybody, for those of you guys who just come and hanging out with us. Also want to say what's up and how's it to everybody who's tuning in. We got the live stream going on Facebook and YouTube. So if you guys like the music that you hear, you can check me out on YouTube. Just search for Joe Guam Music. I live stream a whole bunch of my gigs. Just a little bit of island music for y'all, some reggae music. So there's a song called Banana Pancakes from Mr. Jack Johnson. Try to show ya, song is meant to keep ya from doing what you're supposed to. Waking up too early, maybe we could sleep. Making banana pancakes, pretend like it's the weekend now. We could pretend it all the time. Can't you see that it's just raining? Ain't no need to go outside. Baby, like a ukulele, mama made a baby. Really don't mind the practice, cause you're my little lady. Lady, love you, cause I love to lay a lazy. We can close the curtain, pretend like there's no room outside. We can pretend it all the time, no. Can't you see that it's just raining? Rain on it, I really don't mind. Telephone saying ringing, it's too early, don't pick it up. Hey, how's it right? We got everything and everything we need right here, and everything we need is enough. Just so easy when the whole world fits inside of your arms. Really need to pay attention to the alarm. Wake up slow, oh, wake up slow. Mr. Jack Johnson. Shout out to Kaya for that request. Thank you, Kaya. Right on. All right. Thank you for the request there. All right, we're gonna play this song. This is a song from Cecilia Capono, everybody, for those of you guys who have been an island away. It's a song called Home and I'm Staying This Time. We're gonna send this one out to all of the island locals here that miss home just a little bit. And if you're here in San Diego and you're making this place your home, it's a nice place to call home here, especially here in Del Mar. A Guam holiday to all the beautiful island of Guam people in the Marianas. There's a song called Home and I'm Staying This Time.
Ooh, sorry.
But it's great to be back home. Road makes you feel so alone. Everything's feeling alright. I see my baby tonight, 'cause I'm home and I'm staying this time. I'm home, oh, no more crying. Thank you, man, appreciate it. I'm home, and I want you to know I'll never leave, never leave. No, baby, we're not gonna go. Mama, it's nice to feel your love. You're the one I'm thinking of. And just to know that you care, I don't need to go anywhere. 'Cause I'm home and I'm staying this time. I'm home, no more crying this time. I'm home and I want you to know I'll never leave, never leave. No, baby, not gonna go. Come sit beside me, 'cause I want to feel your embrace. Pour me some coffee, 'cause I won't be going any place. And you'll never know You never know, you never know. I missed you so. Cause I'm home and I'm staying this time. I'm home, home, no more crying this time. I'm home, home and I want you to know I'll never leave, never leave. No, baby, I'm not gonna go. My request, shout out to Lorena from Guam. Thank you for that request. A song from CK. Thank you very much. All right, here's the next request for you, everybody. This is a song from J Bug, a song called Sunshine Girl. Thank you guys. Sunshine girl, lighting up my world. She does to me, she makes me say whoa, whoa, whoa. She's so sweet, it makes me say whoa, whoa, whoa. She's so sweet, it makes me say whoa. Try to not get tired. Courage and my confidence. Take it real cool, yo. I don't wanna win. Get it straight because you make me wanna sing. Body band, never wanna blow me lighter. Charisma shoot out like a geyser. Bring next to people who walk beside her. Woman that's hotter than the fire. Burning with love, and I love to love her. Said forever, I love to love her. She's my sunshine girl, not my world. She does to me, she makes me say whoa, whoa, whoa. She's so sweet, it makes me say whoa, whoa, whoa. She's so sweet, it makes me say whoa. Like a fire, she's the sweetest looking shorty that I ain't ever seen. She's the girl that I never seen, only in my dreams. Now it's my reality, and I do believe she can be all that I never need in my life to see. Shaking me all that I never need. Yes, I love this girl is blazing hot like fire. So I say, she's my sunshine girl, not my world. She does to me, she makes me say, whoa, whoa, whoa. She's so sweet, it makes me say, whoa, whoa, whoa. She's so sweet, it makes me say, whoa. Margaritaville, but it seemed to think so she was from Brazil. No, Mr. J. Boogie doesn't even matter. She could have come from Tanganyika or from Samoa, Fiji, Solomon Islands, New Caledonia, or even Hawaii, the land of sweet Baccalaureate. The sea was a Nova, the numbers galore. This one I'm sure of, never let go. She's my sunshine girl, not my world. She does to me, she makes me say, whoa, whoa, whoa. She's so sweet, it makes me say, whoa, whoa, whoa. She's so sweet, it makes me say, whoa. Sunshine girl, lighting up my world. She does to me, she makes me say, whoa, whoa, whoa. She's so sweet, it makes me say, whoa, whoa, whoa. She's so sweet, it makes me say, whoa. By request, everybody, that's a song from J Bug, a song called Sunshine Girl. Thank you for that request. Right on, right on, right on. Thank you guys. All right, here's the next request for you. We're gonna slow this one down. Shout out to Rose and Kelly for this request. Happy birthday to Kelly. It's Kelly in the house. Happy birthday to you. Here's a song called Tennessee Whiskey, everybody. Hey, thanks for coming down, you guys. Thank you. Feel like I'm just like at home.
We requested that song too, but you can play it later.
Okay, right on.
Or something else, whatever you.
Here's a song called Tennessee Whiskey, everybody. I know this is a local favorite, so hope y'all enjoy this, man.
I'm freezing.
I don't have a jacket too.
Keep talking. I got one.
Used to spend my nights out in the bar room. Liquor was the only love I ever known. But you rescued me from reaching for the bottle, brought me back. We ain't too far gone. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet strawberry wine. You're You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay stoned on your love all the time. I've looked for love in all the same old places. Found the bottom of the bottle always dry. When you pour out your heart and it wasted, 'cause there's nothing like your love to get me high. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay stoned on your love all the time. Hey, let's take this Taylor for a ride, everybody. Thank you, bro. Thank you, dude. It's Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay stoned. Your love all the time. Let's try this one more time, y'all. My request, a little Tennessee whiskey for you. Thank you for that request. But I see there's somebody that's celebrating their 36th wedding anniversary. Happy anniversary to Mary Tess and her hunk of a husband. Tennessee whiskey has helped make it that far. So Mary Tess, happy 36th anniversary to you right there. Oh, all right. Here's the next request for you, everybody. This is a song by Mr. Bob Marley, everybody. This is a song called Waiting in Vain. waiting feelings back. So don't treat me like a puppy on the string, 'cause I know how to do my thing. Don't talk to me if you think I'm down. I wanna know when you're gonna come. See, I'm waiting there for your love. I'm waiting there. I'm waiting there for your love. I'm waiting there. Yes, it's summer is here. I'm still waiting there. Winter is here. I'm still waiting there. It's been 3 years since I'm knocking on your door, and I still wanna knock some more. Girl, is it feasible? I wanna know now before I had to knock some more. In life, I know there's a lot to grieve, but your love is my belief. Tears in my eyes burn, tears in my eyes burn, while I'm waiting for my turn. See, I'm waiting there for love. I'm waiting there. I'm waiting there for love. I'm waiting there. Yes, it's summer is here. I'm still waiting there. Winter is here. I'm still waiting there. a song called Waiting in Vain by Mr. Bob Marley. Thank you for that request. All right. Gonna give a big shout out to Ali for this request. This is a song that was written by Mr. Ed Sheeran, made famous by Mr. Justin Bieber. Here's a song called Love Yourself, everybody. We're gonna do this one little reggae style. Welcome to the Monarch Ocean Pub, everybody. Can I just give a big shout out to Monarch for letting me come share some lot of music with you guys. My name is Joe Guam, everybody, and my wife and my kids and I, we flew in from Guam just 2 days ago, traveled 18 hours to get here, and so appreciative to be able to play some music for you guys. So thank you guys for coming down and hanging out with us.
Hey, thank you, bro. Other than that, thank you.
All right. My request, it's a song called Love Yourself.
Shout out to Academy 97. My sister's watching. I'll tell her you're here, huh? What's up? She's gonna be like, was that live? Okay. Yeah.
You gotta put your face out
All the times that you rain on my parade, all the clubs you get in using my name. I think you broke my heart, girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, well I am. I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't, but you still hit my phone up. Baby, I've been moving on, and I think it should be something I don't wanna hold back. You should let me know that Mama don't like you, she likes everyone. I never liked to admit that I was wrong. I'm in so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. I know I'm better sleeping on my own, cause if you lie and wait, look that much, baby, you should go and love yourself. If you think I holding on, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. When you told me you hated my friend, the only problem was with you and not them. Every time you told me my opinion was wrong, try to make me forget where I came from. Mama don't like you, she likes everyone. I never liked to admit that I was wrong. I'm in so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. I know I'm better sleeping on my own. If you like the way you look that much, baby, you should go and love yourself. If you think that I'm holding on, baby, you should go and love yourself. All the times that you made me feel small, and alone and I feel nothing at all. Never felt so low when I was vulnerable. Was I a fool to let you break down my wall? And I didn't want to write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't, but you still hit my phone up. Baby, I've been moving on, and I think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. You should let me know that Mama don't like you, she likes everyone. I never liked to admit that I was wrong. I'm in so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. I know I'm better sleeping on my own. If you like the way you look that much, baby, you should go and love yourself. the Justin Bieber Ed Sheeran song, everybody. That's the song called Love Yourself. Here's the next request for everybody. Hey, thank you very much, man. Thank you, brother. Thank you, thank you. Okay, you get that. Let me get this one first here. Here's the song, everybody. Taking this one back to 1994. Here's a song from Color Me Bad. A song called All for Love. Hope y'all enjoy this one. Yeah, right?
Try that again.
I just want to give a big shout out to the Monarch again for letting me come play some music here at Del Mar. And shout out to everybody who drove down here to come hang out with us, especially those who drove all the way from Vegas. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So glad you're my girl, I'll do anything for you. I'll call you every night and give you flowers too. I thank the Lord for you, I think about you all the time. Ask him every day that you forever be mine. I will be there for you, to catch you when you fall. I want you in my arms, cause that's where you belong. I sing this lullaby, cause girl you fill me full. I look into your eyes, you're so beautiful. Oh girl, I think I love you, I'm always thinking of you. I want you to know I do it all for love. I love when we're together, girl I need you forever. I want you to know I do it all for love. Sugar, this I guarantee. I look into the future, I see you and me. Knight in shining armor, I will be your fairy tale. I wanna take care of you, girl, serve you well. I will be there for you, to catch you when you fall. I'll hold you in my arms, cause that's where you belong. I sing this lullaby, cause girl you fill me full. I look into your eyes, you're so beautiful. Oh girl, I think I love you, I'm always thinking of you. I want you to know I do it all for love. I love when we're together, girl I need you forever. I want you to know I do it all for love. My request, taking it back to 1994, a song from Color Me Bad, everybody. That's a song called All for Love. Here's the next request for you. This is Stephen Bishop's song, everybody. A song called On and On. America, they've got lots of pretty women. Steals your money and they break your heart. Lonesome Sue, she's in love with old Sam. Take it from the fire to the frying pan. On and on, just to keep on trying. And a smile, she feels like crying. On and on, on and on, on and on. Jimmy sits alone in the moonlight. Saw this woman kiss another man. Oh, he takes a ladder, steals the stars from the sky, puts on a notch and then he starts to cry. On and on, just to keep on trying. In a smile, she feels like crying. On and on, on and on, on and on. Hey, shout out to the other band, DUB, for this song. This is the one we know from the islands, y'all. Stephen Bishop's song. Alone in the moonlight, saw the woman is another man. Oh, he takes a ladder, steals the stars from the sky, puts on a notch and then he starts to cry. On and on, just to keep on trying. In a smile, she feels like crying. On and on, on and on, on and on. Shout out to AMG Guam and out. American music. I've got the sun on the shoulder, toes in the sand. My woman's left me for another man. But I don't worry, just dream and relax. Toss off my heart, see where it lands. On and on, just to keep on trying. In a smile, she feels like crying. On and on, on and on, on and on. That's my version of On and On, everybody. I hope y'all enjoyed that one. Right on, right on. Hey, thank you, man. I appreciate you, bro.
I requested wait in your water.
Okay.
But I did not tip.
Here we go. Wait in your water. What's up, Jun? What's up, man? Good to
man?
see you, Jun, man. How you doing, bro?
Can you do Ubi Big Mountain? You know
I don't know that
Drop
one.
it.
Hey, do me a favor. I'll drop it.
Drop it. Drop it.
I get dropped.
I'll stop by.
All right. Wait in your water, job. Here we go. Woo. Welcome to the Monarch, everybody. We're going to do this song from Common Kings, everybody. This is a song called Wait in Your Water. And then we're going to do Drop Baby Drop. Thank you for everybody who put in a request. I appreciate y'all. For those of you guys just joining us, you can put in a request online right from your phone. Just use your phone and go to my website, joeguam.com. Joeguam.com, tap on song request. You'll see a list of a bunch of songs I know how to play. Anything you tap on will send me a message up here. So here's a song for the Comic Kings, everybody, a song called Wade in Your Water. My billabong, yeah. Surf a girl, a type of get up on. You know I really wanna rock your boat, yeah. Heat wave to the winter monsoon, asking where she on her way to. I leave her. Says she loves the North Shore, bikini top, black skies, and board shorts. But I wade in your water, gonna wade in your water, gonna wade in your water till I catch you red. Wade in your water, gonna wade in your water, gonna wade in your water till I catch you red. Arms, yeah. Cascade like my man balls on pipeline through open sea. In love with the current, yeah. Asking where she on her way to. She said that yeah. Says she loves the North Shore, bikini top, black skies and her board shorts. But I wade in your water, gonna wade in your water, gonna wade in your water till I catch you red. Oh. Wade in your water, gonna wade in your water, gonna wade in your water till I catch you red. I can feel the wild heat wave to the winter monsoon. Type of love never expire, burn slow like a bonfire. Asking where she on her way to. She said by Maya. Says she loves the North Shore, bikini top, black skies and her board shorts. But I wade in your water, gonna wade in your water, gonna wade in your water till I catch you red. Oh. Wade in your water, gonna wade in your water, gonna wade in your water till I catch you red. Oh. By request, a song for the Comic Kings. Here's the next request for you. Shout out to Jim Brown. It's a song called Job Baby Job.
Taking this one back to high school.
make. I love you like a mango. We can make it every day. I want you to drop, baby, drop, baby, drop. Drop on, now on me, drop, baby, drop, baby, drop. Drop, cause I'm hungry. My nights would be so lonely. Baby, you should choose to go. I live just like a zombie. Very little love to show. So drop, baby, drop, baby, drop. So drop on me, love on me, drop, baby, drop, baby, drop. Drop, cause I'm hungry. My nights would be so lonely. Baby, you should choose to go. I live just like a zombie. Very little love to show. I want you to drop, baby, drop, baby, drop. So drop on me, love on me, drop, baby, drop, baby, drop. Drop, cause I'm hungry. Who loves you, pretty baby? Who's gonna help you through the night? Who loves you, pretty mama? Always there to make it right. Who loves you? Who loves you, pretty baby? Who's gonna love your mama, baby? My heart doesn't tango. Every little movie you make. I love you like a mango. Every day, I want you to drop, baby, drop, baby, drop. So drop on you, now on me, drop, baby, drop, baby, drop. Drop, cause I'm hungry. Every little movie you make, I love you like a mango. So we can make it every day. I want you to drop, baby, drop, baby, drop. To drop on me, love on me, drop, baby, drop, baby, drop. Drop, cause I'm hungry. A song called Drop Baby Drop. Hey, shout out to Jim for that request, bro. Thank you, man. High school classmate right there. All right. Can I get a round of applause? Hey, thank you very much.
So much.
If you're from Guam, please make some noise. If you got some roots in Guam. Thank you, guys. If you're from right here in San Diego, let me hear you make some noise too, yeah? So I'm gonna play a song. In the island of Guam, we speak the Chamorro language, everybody.
Do it.
And I'm gonna play one song here by request. It's a song from a guy named JD Crutch. He's one of our legends here in the island of Guam. So I'm gonna jam this one tomorrow too for you guys. Hope y'all enjoy this one.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
next one. Here you go. Humudu ay sagwa linatihu sa tising niya marekla linatihu sagwa hatumogi alundia sempre mais for you inati ni mohu adingo sinanohu sagwa likidu na karuku Matawid familyoku Ketungo manawatu Sinanahu Hatagi lotiuoski Pentiuno tugipresu Tisinya humudo Aisagwa Ninatihu Sa tisinya maretla Ninatihu Sagwa hatumogi Alundia sempre mais por mim Dispensado tatahu Satios que finomu Thank you brother Zauntungan au tagi inasinomu Negay totu tanora I thought that this got on down Sinanahu hatagi lotiuski Pentiuno presu Tisinya humudo Aisagwa Ninatihu Sa tisinya maretla Ninatihu Sagwa hatumogi Alundia every match My request is a Chamorro song, everybody. Thank you for that request. All right, here's the next request for you. This is a song from, well, the song needs no introduction. This is a song from Neil Diamond. Where it began, I can't begin to know it, but then I know it's growing strong. My request was in the spring, and spring became the summer. Who'd ever believe it come along? Reaching out, touching me, touching you, sweet Caroline. Times never seem so good. I'd be inclined to believe it down, but now look at the night, and it don't seem so lonely. Fill it up with only two. And when I hurt runs off my shoulder, how can I hurt when I'm with you? One touching one, reaching out, touching me, touching you, sweet Caroline. Times never seem so good. from Neil Diamond. Thank you for that request. Here's the next request for you. This is a song from Mr. Eric Clapton, everybody. It's a song called Wonderful Tonight, but we're gonna do this one just a little bit of island style. Hope you guys are hanging out, doing all right today, everybody. Thank you for coming down to the Monarch Ocean Pub here in Del Mar. Man, that's a beautiful ocean line right there. Sizus Masi. Thank you guys. From the island of Guam, we say Sizus Masi. That's how we say thank you very much. So here we go. This is a song called Wonderful Tonight. Late in the evening, she's wondering what clothes to wear, what time to make up, but she's a long brown hair. And then she'll ask me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. Go to a party, everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she'll ask me, do I feel alright? And I said yes, I feel wonderful. Just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. I'm gonna need to live. So gave her the car key. She puts me to bed. That's when I tell her, as I turn out the lights, I said my lonely, you were beautiful. By request, a song called Wonderful Tonight, a little island style for you. Thank you. Appreciate that. All right, here's the next request for everybody. I'm gonna slow this one down just a little bit. This is a favorite song. Israel Kabaka Viva Ole made this one famous. Gonna give a big shout out to Deborah and Bonnie for this request. And this one's going out to Barbara from Guam. Hey, can I ask you guys a favor? We're live streaming right now on Facebook and YouTube, and some of the folks in the family back home want to see what the crowd looks like. So can I turn the camera around for a little bit? You guys give me like wave your hands in the air and give me some shout outs. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hey, that's the coolest thing. Thank you guys so much, y'all. I wonder if some of you might have family watching and I'll see you on there. All right, here we go. We're gonna slow this one down just a little bit, not for long though. Here's a song that was made famous by Israel Kamaka Viva ONLIVE, but it's a song called Summer Over the Rainbow. Shout out to Deborah and Bonnie for this request. Here we go. To my ukulele sponsors, everybody. Kola Ukulele, thank you for making this beautiful instrument sound so good. All right, here's the next request for you. This is a song from Jack Johnson, everybody. A song called Bubble Toes. Thank you for this request.
Right, that's it.
Everybody, thank you for this request. And thank you guys for bringing your good vibes here to the Monarch. Have a day. that can justify it. She got enough money, thinks he got so many problems that he got too much time to waste. Dreams are like commercial, dreams are making perfect day. Dreams are so related, though they're up and underestimated. In the DLG when this little girl came and she sat next to me. Never seen nobody look the way she did when she did and she does and she'll do it again. You're moving like a jellyfish, rhythm is nothing, you're going with the flow and you don't stop. You're moving like a jellyfish, rhythm is nothing, you're going with the flow and you don't stop. It's coming to something that nobody knows, that her beauty will follow wherever she goes. Hill on the back of my house in the world, she loved me forever unknown. La da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da. Listen, you might just realize what you're missing me. You don't need listen, you might just realize what you're missing me. It's coming to something that nobody knows, little beauty will follow wherever she goes. The hill of the back of my house in the world, she loved me forever unknown. La da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da. My request a Jack Johnson song. Hey, can I give a big shout out to the bartenders and the servers that are helping you guys, man? They're trying to do as much as possible, but I know they're trying to make an announcement, so I'm gonna let them go right now. You got something you want to say, my bro? Maybe not, maybe not. All right, here's the next request for you. This is a song that was done, made popular by Mr. Rod Stewart. I hope you guys enjoy this one. I can tell by your eyes that you're probably crying forever. And the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you there to me. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen, hi baby boy, to my heart. If I stand down alone in the shadows hide, colors of my heart. Blue for the tear, black for the night, speaks the stars in the sky. Don't mean nothing to you, there me with. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. If I stand all alone, through the shadows hide, the colors of my heart. For the tears, black for the night, spears the stars in the sky. No mean nothing to you, they mean.
Gabo, Gabo, Gabo.
I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my. By request, that's a song from Rod Stewart. Everybody, a song called I Don't Want to Talk About It. Thank you for that request. All right, here's the next request for you. We're going to slow down just a little bit. This is a song from Keith Urban, a song called Blue Ain't Your Color. I can hear you over there staring at your drink, watching that I sing all alone tonight. And chances are you're sitting here in this bar, 'cause he ain't gonna treat you right. Well, it's probably not my place, but I'm gonna say it anyway. 'Cause you look like you haven't felt the fire, had a little fun, and not a smile, a little while. Baby, looks good in the sky, looks good on that neon buzzing on the wall. Dark at your eyes. I'm telling you, you don't need that guy so black and white, stealing your thunder. Baby blue ain't your color. Tryna be another, just pick you up. Kinda got tryna drink you up, tryna take you home. But I just don't understand how another man can take your son and make it ice cold. Well, I've had enough to drink and it's making me think that I just might tell ya, if I were a painter, I wouldn't change ya. I just paint you bright, baby. It's good in the sky, it's good on that neon buzzing on the wall. Darling, it don't match your eyes. I'm telling you, that guy, so black and white, stealing your thunder. Baby blue ain't your color. By request. That's a song from Keith Urban. Here's the next request for you, everybody. It's a song from the Out Creator Boys of Van Morrison, a song called Brown Eyed Girl. Here when we walk, days when rains came down in a hollow, playing a new game, laughing and a running, skipping and a jumping in the misty morning, fall with our hearts a thumping to you. Brown-eyed girl, you're my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing la 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 la, la 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 la. Whatever happened? Tuesday so slow, going down the coal mine, transistor radio, standing in the sunlight, laughing out behind the rainbow's wall, kissing and hugging along the water. remember where we used to sing sha la 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 sha la 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 da. My request, shout out to Mr. Beaumont for that request. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's a song from Van Morrison. Here's the next request for you, everybody. Everybody from the islands knows this song. This is a song from Cecilia Copono called Good Times Together. A whole bunch of people requested. So I'm gonna shout out everybody. It's a song called Good Times Together. Hope y'all enjoy. Thank you, bro. It's feeling good, time together. Looking for the warmth of the sun. It's gonna be a long time together. That's yet to come. I remember the beginning, we were younger then. Hey! Used to play in the scene, we both pretend. That was then and now, our moments come again. Do we throw it all away? Is this the end? It's feeling good, time together. On the warmth of the sun. It's gonna be a long time again. That's the yet to come. Living the masquerade. If it's magic that we're weaving, let's not be afraid. Sing a song aloud, and we've already made. Thanks for getting. It's been a good time together. Looking for the warmth of the sun. To come. Together into my dream. Strike up the pen and play that old familiar theme. I take a love by my hand, lead the way.
We have food for Patrick, Teddy, and Julie.
Ladies
Patrick, Teddy, and Julie.
Patrick, Teddy, and Julie. My request a song from called Good Times Together. You heading out, brother? Good to see you, man. Hey. Good to see you, man.
Thanks for coming by.
Sorry to
Tell
interrupt
Jess I didn't say what's up. Later, bro. Good to see you, man. Let's go.
All right. Thank you guys so much for all the requests. Man, that's a whole lot of love in there. I appreciate you guys so much. Here's a song from Mr. Bill Withers, everybody. There's a song called Lean On Me by request. We're gonna do this one a little different for y'all.
What's up? Hi. Are you guys singing? I'm gonna keep playing though, but let me come sing hi, okay? Thank you.
Remind me of Kapono in Hawaii.
Oh,
Dude,
right on. That's so
yeah,
cool,
thank
man.
you.
Thank you guys
What's
for
the
coming.
name of your group?
My name is Joe Guam.
Is that what your music is under?
Yeah, you just
Guam?
look for Joe Guam, like the island of Guam. Right on. Huffity, how's it?
I've been yakking with your wife.
Oh, right on.
So I got the update. It's so good. I'm so happy to meet you.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you for coming.
Wonderful.
I'm almost done. I got just one more hour.
Okay.
I'm coming sing a little. Okay.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the Monarch Ocean Pub. My name is Joe Guam, everybody. I live in the island of Guam. We just came out here to visit some family and go to Disneyland and the safari. And my buddy who plays here on Wednesday nights, you guys can check him out. His name is Ben. He plays in the same spot here every Wednesday night. He just asked me to come play, share some island vibes with you guys here at Monarch. So thank you to everybody who came out tonight. Just came out bringing good vibes with you and hanging out. Let me play for you. I appreciate you guys so much. Especially if you guys drove in from far out of town. I see some family of mine drove down from LA. I had some friends that drove in from Vegas. So that's so cool, man. I appreciate all the love. Thank you guys so much. My name is Joe Guam. If you guys want to connect with me, I live stream all my shows in Guam and anywhere I play. You guys can find me on YouTube, Joe Guam Music, and you can also find me on my website, joeguam.com. Thank you guys again. I'm gonna play this next jam for you guys. Wait, for real, what's playing? Oh, so that's right. This is a song from Bill Withers. There's a song called Lean On Me. Hope y'all enjoy this one. Sometimes in our life, we all have pain, we all have sorrow.
Get up, boy, get up.
But if we are right, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. Boy, it won't be long. I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride. If I have things you need to borrow, or no one can feel those I believe that you won't let show. Just call on me, brother. You need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. Might have a problem, don't understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. Or it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. If there is a no, you have to believe that that you can't carry. I'm right on the road. I'll shake it down if you just call me. Just a call on me, brother. Need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. Just might have a problem. Understand? We all need somebody to lean on. There is a load you have to give that you can't carry. I'm right up the road. I'll share your load if you just call me. Just a call on me, brother. Need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. Just might have a problem. Understand? We all need somebody to lean on. Lean on me when you're not strong. My request. That's a song called Lean on Me. Thank you for that request.
Any pure party.
Yeah, I can do that.
So do you need a drink or what?
I'm good, man. I got it. Thank you.
Hey,
I appreciate it.
Before you're done, it's just Mariana.
Okay, you got it. We're gonna do that one later. For sure. All right, let me do this song first, Lon.
Here's a request for everybody. This is a song from Brett Young. Brett Young is a country artist, but we do this one a little island style. Here's a song called In Case You Didn't Know. A little bit inspired by Maui. Here we go. Down the time, almost saying what's on my mind, but I didn't. Just the other day, rolling down all the things I said that I couldn't. Baby, you know that you've been wondering. Goes nothing. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. That would be lying. lying if I say that I could live my life without you, even though don't tell you all the time you had my all long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, we can know tonight. Second glass of wine that day. You were something about your kid. Oh, it did me, baby. All the things that I need to feel it. Oh, it's time you hear up. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. I would be lying if I said that I could live my life without you, even though don't tell you all the time. And my all long, long time ago. In case you didn't know. By request, that's a song called In Case You Didn't Know, by Brett Young. Hope y'all enjoyed that one. Here's the next request for you. It's a song from Pure Heart. They want a song called Crazy Without You. Bringing a little bit of island music for you. Thank you guys for coming to Monarch and hanging out with us here this Friday night. There and I just want to stand, put my heart into you. It's not the same, just a beating sing, calling love for you. I would be alright every day and night if you could stay with me. Every time you go, gonna let you know it causes me to be just a little bit easy without you. What am I gonna do? Said I'm easy without you. The things you really put me through. for you. All right, here's the next request for everybody. This is an original song, a song that I wrote this song with my wife and my daughter. So shout out to my wife. She's right there. I'm gonna point her out for you guys. That's my beautiful wife, Jackie, everybody, and my 2 kids are here today too. We just took them to Disneyland. So I wrote this song back in 2020, March of 2020, and you guys all know what happened on that month, right? So we all hung out together, and my wife and I put this song together, and my daughter actually wrote the first 2 lines of the second verse. So I want to play this song for you, everybody. It's an original song called Day by Day. Sending out some good vibes and love to you all from the island of Guam. Thank you guys. Times have changed and things are strange and we're so confused. Lives matter but some are forced to choose. Keep your head up, pour your heart out. Yeah, we gotta believe. If we stand together, we'll make it through anything. Be okay. If we're living for each other, take it day by day. Our color doesn't matter. It's bigger than you and greater than me. We're doing this for humanity. Put your faith in one another. We'll find a way. Don't give up. Give it your best. It's okay to be afraid. Lives have changed so much since yesterday. We can do our part to fill our hearts with love and happiness. Sun will always rise and shine again. Be okay. If we're living for each other, take it day by day. Our color doesn't matter. Bigger than you and greater than me. We're doing this for humanity. Put your faith in life. We'll find a way. Give it your best. It's okay to be afraid. Lives have changed so much since yesterday. We can do our part to fill our hearts with love and happiness. The sun will always rise and shine again. Be okay. If we're living for each other, day by day. Color doesn't matter. It's bigger than you and greater than you. Doing this for humanity. Put your faith in one another. Be okay. Song, everybody, a song that I wrote my wife and my daughter Dolce. Thank you very much for letting me jam that song for you. All right, we played this song on the first set, but it's so good we gotta play it twice because everybody's requested it. Here's a song called Tennessee Whiskey, everybody. Used to spend my nights out in the barroom. Liquor was the only love I ever known. But you rescued me, reaching for a bottle, brought me back, being too far gone. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet strawberry wine. You're as warm glass of brandy. Honey, I stay stoned your love all the time. I've looked for love in all the same old places. Found the bottom of the bottle always dry. When you pour out your heart and waste it, there's nothing like your love to get me home. You're smooth.
Justin, JD, and Connor. Justin, JD, and
Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay stoned your love all the time. Let's take a little ride on this ukulele, y'all. Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay stoned your love all the time. My request, a song called Tennessee Whiskey. What's up, guys? How's it, bro? Good to see you guys, man.
We're gonna stand right here now. Right on, man. Thank you guys. Let's go.
All right, here's the next request for you. Hey, if you have any roots in Guam or your connections to Guam, make some noise for me, please. Right on.
Hey, thanks, man. Good to see you, man.
Can you play tomorrow's song?
Yeah, let me
Don't
jam
trip
one
out?
right now, man.
So we got a lot of people from Guam in the house. My wife and my kids and I, we just flew out here a couple of days ago, the 18-hour trip from Guam. And I know that a lot of people came here to hear me play some Chamorro music. So I'm gonna play this song, everybody. This is a song that brings everybody back. It's a song that talks about, well, it's a love theme, right? A guy's trying to find a girl. A song called No Bien Ni by Mr. Johnny Sablon. So I'm gonna play this song for you guys. Hope you all enjoy it real quick. we go.
Lonnie was here earlier, but she said she left. Okay, so you guys can join us? Okay, yeah. We'll sit over here.
Dan minggu-minggu Islam ilangin Oh kan waktu Kitrongku Mapagoi Anay huli sinegi Antis diha Di utu Dahasongan Antis liumaigo Agway tatu Ogun eni Ogun napalawan Ugwigwifi Aonitan kwengi Taitokua Taniton mutu Lugianeni Ogun napalawan Ogun haneni Aonitan kwengi Ugwigwifi Taitokua Taniton mutu Lugianeni Ahasui tempo Algo Deli flores Sounding uzu Ki Puengi No estaneri Tiulaga Tachi Spito Tengo bao Izineri Tahita Nagirisna Oguneni Ogun napalawa Ugwigwifi Aonitan kwenye Taitokua Eniton mutu Lugianeni Ogun napalawa Ogun haneni Aonitan kwenye Ugwigwifi Taitokua Eniton mutu Lugianeni I hope that song brought you guys all back home to the island of Guam for those of you guys. Here's another one for you. In the island of Guam, we greet everybody by saying Hafaday. So here's a song called Islas Marianas that highlights that phrase right there. By request. Thank you, brother. Thanks for getting me water.
Oh, yeah. Get your shoes.
Right on, here we go.
I know, right?
Come on, bro.
Half a day, half a day. Mañana isla sea, Islas Marianas. Half a day, half a day. Mañana isla sea, Islas Marianas. Siya nilek mo na kay gihaw sa dagat puro chulitong. O kay gikorason mo na'y Islas Marianas. Hita ni Mantamoro, hanawin para ilatu. Mamadano, sunit ang dogo, pues makialagwini binano. Paano biyam sa moro, tatapan man banidoso. Sa tataw na tono, mas bonito, Islas Marianas. Half a day, half a day. Mañana isla sea, Islas Marianas. Sa ipan at pareho unohan ang kurasong tan Islas Marianas. Ang namin nanging inikan ng tamor titas kelagwit at finadinigo bang itan kinpikakaka. Paano wiyang tamor tatapan man manidoso. Sa tataw na tono, mas bonito, Islas Marianas. Half a day, half a day. Mañana isla sea, Islas Marianas. That's a song called Islas Marianas. Thank you for that request. All right, here's a next request for you. This is an original song, everybody. It's an original Chamorro song that I wrote a couple of years ago, a song called Magahe. Hope you all enjoy this song. Ikudasonmu. Todo e tempo. Alright, here's the next song request for you. One of my favorite songs by Mr. Sam Cooke, everybody. This is a song called Bring It On Home to Me. Hope y'all enjoy this. Also want to give a shout out to anybody who lives here or is coming down here from the Marianas. If you're from Saipan, Rota, Luther, Tinian, want to shout out to you guys too. Thank you guys. We're all one Chamorro blood out there in the Marianas. So one Marianas pretty much. That's how it goes. Hope you all enjoy this jam. If you ever change your mind about leaving me behind, baby, bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving, bring it on home to me. Yeah. I know I'd laugh when you left, but now I know only hurt myself. Baby, bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving, bring it on home to me. But then you know all I do for you change your mind about leaving me behind. Baby, bring it to me. Bring your sweet love me. Bring it on home with me. Yeah, yeah. You know I'll always be your slave till I'm buried in the grave. Baby, bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving. Bring it on home with me. Yeah. Let's take a little ride one more time. Here we go. Tried to treat you right, but you stayed out late at night. Baby, bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving. Bring it on home with me. Yeah. Song by Sam Cooke, everybody, by request. That's a song called Bring It On Home to Me. Here's the next request for everybody. This is a song.
You guys heading out? Hey man, thank you for coming, man. I'll hit you up. I'll hit you up. Peace.
All right, here's the next request for everybody. This is a song from the Suttons, and Amy Winehouse made this one famous. This song called Valerie. We're gonna do this one a little out of style, like everything. Thank you guys so much for coming to hang out with me here at the Monarch, everybody. My name is Joe Guam. Thank you to the Monarch for letting me play some music for you. And I also want to give a big shout out to this guy right here, Ben Beneventi. This is all his stuff, man. This is his guitar, this is his speakers, this is his keyboard. Thank you, Ben, for letting me chum out in your jam. I appreciate you putting this all together. You guys can catch Ben right here in the same spot every Wednesdays from 4 to 7 p.m. So if you guys are looking for some Cherry Island music, some reggae style music, come check it out. He'll play this guitar a lot better than I will.
You're doing great.
All right, here we go. It's a song called Valerie, everybody.
A little too fast.
Sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water, and I think about the things of what you're doing. In my head I paint a picture. Since I've come on home, well, my body's been blessed, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie, Valerie, Valerie. Did you have to go to jail or put your house on up for sale? Did you get a good lawyer? Hope you didn't catch a tan. I hope you found the right man who'll fix it for you. Since I've come on home, well, my body's been bad. Miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie, 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 Valerie. Let's go. Change the color of your hair. Are you busy? Did you have to pay the fine that you were dodging all the time? Are you still dizzy? So come on home where my body's been in bed, and I miss your gender hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie, Valerie, Valerie. My request is a song called Valerie, everybody. Here's the next request for everybody. This is a song from Fiji. A song called Oh Sweet Darling. Exactly. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you.
Want to sing this one, bro? Because I know.
You want some tequila?
No. Not at all. The one that you said I stay on the same chord, right?
Bro, from the elevator. It was
Really?
From the elevator. It was Jackie.
She's somewhere here with my boy. Thank you guys, man. Thank you guys. Right on, bro. Thank you guys. All right. This is a song that you said I stay on the same chord too long, right?
Oh, yeah. You remember that, huh?
I do.
You could twist it up a little. I don't think anybody would know.
Play and sing at the same time.
We've been together a while. Don't mean to cramp your style. Sometimes I wonder just how things happen this way. I am overwhelmed and baby, I just can't thank you enough. You pick me up every morning. Thank you, brother. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. And I just get through with good love. And I never thought that a girl could love a man this much. am overwhelmed, baby, I just can't thank you enough. And I'm wondering, oh, sweet darling, what did I do to deserve you? What did I say to make your angel eyes turn my way? If only I had the world, I'd give it all to you, babe. I'm about to leave for the road, take you with me in my heart. I really pray the Lord my soul again. Just one request, keep dreaming of me. And I'm wondering, oh, sweet darling, what did I do to deserve you? What did I say to make your angel eyes turn away? If only I had the world, I'd give it all to you, babe. Let's take a little ride on this ukulele. I'm about to leave for the road, take you with me in my heart. I really pray the Lord my soul again. And baby, just one request, keep dreaming of me. And I'm wondering, oh, sweet darling, what did I do to deserve you? What did I say to make your angel eyes turn away? If only I had the world, I'd give it all to you, babe. And I said, if only I had the world, I'd give it all to you, babe.
Hey, Capo, get over here. Sit down. Sit down, my boy. Sit down right there. Sit down.
Thank you. By request, everybody, that's a song from Mr. Fiji. You know, I know it's a little bit over my time already to play here, but I gotta play this one song because this is a song.
How's it going, man?
This is a song that I know for those of you folks that are from the islands, the Marianas, actually from any island, this song will make you wanna go back home. So I'm all about that. Here's a song from written by Ruby Santos, everybody. It's a song called Take Me Back. So this request, gonna give a big shout out to Nate Doyle from EPEN. It's a song called Take Me Back. Hope y'all enjoy this one.
Hey, my time's over, right? So I can picture more music.
Joe, keep playing.
Hey.
We're gonna.
Joe.
We're gonna play Joe.
All right.
How does the T5 sound, bro? How does the T5 sound?
Fucking beautiful. Hey, do you want the heater on?
No, my hands are frozen already.
I just want to let you know if you guys been hearing some wrong notes up here. I'm playing. My hands are frozen. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. You know, all the things we see about San Diego in the movies, it's supposed to be like hot, sunny weather, the sunshine and the ocean. Man, it's freezing cold for this island boy right now, I'll tell you that. All right, here we go. Here's a song called Take Me Back, everybody. Hope y'all enjoy this one. Even if far away, I know that heart will stay. My island, place I call home. So take me back to the island in the sea. That's my cousin Colleen dancing for you guys right there. Right here in island songbird calling me. Take me back to the island in the sun. Thank you, Primo. For I know that's where the heart in me belongs. As a child I have traveled to the east and western coast. Always knew the island life is what I treasure most. Come on up here, Prima, come on. Lived along in wonder, seeing all there is to see. Thought I had convinced myself the city lies on me. It's calling that budget, buddy. Take me back to the island in the sea. For I hear an island songbird calling me.
Oh, yeah. Kill it, kill it.
Take me back to the island in the sun. For I know that's where the heart in me belongs. I have to. Ay, my malo family na go.
Finish it, bro.
Duos cross, yeah, do maybe do me for what do we need? I go home.
Hit it, lady. Hit it, hit it, hit it.
want to go back to visit your hometown where there's islands and all. All right, everybody. I think that's going to be my time for the day. My name is Joe Guam. Introduce myself, everybody, for coming. Thank you very much. I appreciate all the good vibes. I'm going to give you guys one more song. All right, man. We got to end with this one. I appreciate you all. Thank you guys for all the good vibes. Really, really, really. God bless you guys. Love you, man. Thank you very much. This is one of my favorite songs by Paul Simon, everybody. I hope I don't miss this song.
No, get it, bro. What's up, dude? You're cool, bro. Hey, you're cold. Come on.
Just like we've been doing all night. Go! Thank you guys again for all the good vibes. I appreciate you guys so much. Sending much love from the island of Guam. And thank you to everybody who's on the YouTube and the Facebook live stream. Right on, guys. The street, he says, why am I soft in the middle now? Why am I soft in the middle when the rest of my life is so hard? I need a photo opportunity. I want a shot of redemption. Don't want to end up a cartoon graveyard. Bone digging, dogs in the moonlight, far away from my well-lit door. Mr. Beer Belly, get these butts away from me. No, I don't find the stuff I'm using anymore. So if you be my bodyguard, I can be your long lost pal. I can call you Betty, Betty when you call me, you can call me out. Walks down the street, he says, why am I short of attention? Got a short little span of attention and whoa, my nights are so long. Where's my wife and family? What if I die here? Who'll be my role model? That my role model is gone, it's gone. Duck back down the alley where it's slow. Holding the back face. All along, there were incidents and accidents. There were hits and allegations. So if you be my bodyguard, I can be your long lost pal. I can call you Betty, Betty when you call me, you can call me out, call me out. Maybe it's the third world, maybe it's his first time around. He doesn't speak the language, holds no currency. He is a foreign man, he is surrounded by the sound of Catalina marketplace and scatterlings and orphanages. He looks around, he sees angels in the architecture, spinning in infinity, singing amen, hallelujah. If you be my bodyguard, I can be your long lost found. I can call you Betty, Betty when you call me, you can call me out, call me out. My name is Joe Guam, everybody. Thank you guys so much. Del Mar, San Diego, I appreciate you guys. And thank you, big shout out to the Monarch and my brother Ben for letting me share some music with you all. So do smiles, everybody. Thank you.
Hey, big shout out to the bartenders.
I also want to give a huge shout out to the bartenders and your servers today for trying to keep everybody filled with drinks and food and making y'all happy. Thank you so much to the Monarch. Thank you to you guys, especially everybody who drove in from out of the town, man. So we appreciate you guys so much. Love you guys. House music, please. Si tus bossing. Have a day.